What's up, guys? My name is Programming Boss and I just wanted to just just flex about this thing a little bit. Yeah, for this thing I'm going to do a special video or a bonus video, as you may call it, and I'm going to do anything that you ask that is acceptable, and you surely know what acceptable means. So yeah, let's start. So what we are going to do today is we are going to make a game like this. So here are the rules. You can just pause and read the rules, because I'm not going to go into the rules, because yeah, just don't waste time. So over here you've got money and the resources block. Over here, okay, just type okay, just did okay, okay. So over here you have got your money, and then you have to invade your enemy, and yeah, you can just wait, what, okay, so you have to invade your enemy to take resources from them so that you don't go bankrupt, and the enemy can invade you very very tightly. So you have to keep that in mind, and there are also side costs, and sometimes your invasion may succeed or may fail. Anyways, so yeah, so you lose if the resources are zero, lesser than zero, because you can always take loan from your allies and money is not a problem. And now you can see that the resources are converted into money right here. So that's a pretty nice thing. And the enemy has same structure right here. So this is the official one. So let's make this one right here. So I've got two files. Let's just and do this. Going to do first is we are going to specify our doc type. So doc type HTML, then HTML, tag, then title tag, then inside the title tag you can write anything. So the original game's name was the ultimate strategy game, so TUSG. Head tag, and then we end the body. I mean, we start the body tag and then we end the body tag, and then the HTML tag. Yeah, this looks a little bit rigged, and I hate it when Sublime Text does that. Bruh. Okay, here we go. So now what we do is now we add a heading. What the heck, bro? Okay, now we add a heading H1. Then we write the name of the game. So we can, what we can just do is we can just copy this over here, because this was from a previous take that I failed because of certain problems. Yeah, we didn't save this, right? Yeah, save this. Now you can see only this shows because we have already added a heading right here. And what we can do now is we can just now add a statement by you. And if you remember, okay, if you remember from the previous thing that I've shown you, there was something like that, there was something like this, and there was a span. So as, and oh, we are going to use the span. There was a span, but we are going to use the span because this is very very convenient to use a span inside a V statement like this, inside situations like these. So we're just going to leave the span like this, and we are going to set the ID. So show condition condition. Wait. Oh, when I do this, then this happens, right? Yeah. Anyways, so show condition, and then you make a button. Let's make the button invade. Yeah, boy. Okay, so now you can see there's the basic user interface. So now what we do is we go to the backend, meaning the JavaScript. So now my time comes. Okay, so the first thing we will do is we will make a class player constructor. Oh my god, this is JavaScript is my favorite thing to do in web building. And then we give the constructor some properties like this dot money equals, let's say the starting amount is 10, and this dot resources equals. Yeah, we will make a better version. We will make a version where if you run out of money, you will lose the game also. So yeah, we are going to strive for that. And now that we have created the player class, what we can do is we can create a let statement. Let variable. So let p, that stands for a, equals new player. And then we can just check if something happened or not. Player dot money. Console.log player dot money. So now if we refresh it, we will not see anything in the browser, but you will see stuff. Bruh. You will see stuff in the console. Wait, did I save it? Huh, I saved it. I saved it. Oh yeah, we didn't add the script. See, this is a big project, so mistakes like this happen, okay? Don't leave the video. So, backend.js. Now something should show. Yeah, boy. So now that we have accessed the script and the player class, what we can do is we can start by the conversion process. So let interval 1 equals set interval. I didn't need to do that. Set interval. Inside this, we will just declare a function. What is this, bro? Yeah, when you type in hyperspeed, something like this happens. So the function, we have declared a function. So now what we will do is we will create an if statement that checks if the resources are above 0. So if p dot resources are greater than 0, then p dot resources minus equal to 1. Yeah, we will do both minus and minus equal to, and p dot money plus equal to 1. Okay, and then we just do some console.log stuff, like log something in the console. console.log p dot resources, and plus p dot money. Wait, did I accidentally mute? Okay. Okay, so now we just save this thing and refresh these. Yeah, you can see right here the stuff happened. So now we want to just see the delay, like just enter the delay. So I want a delay of 500 milliseconds or zero point 0.5 seconds. So right here you can see this process is going on. Bam, boom, done, 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 boy. Okay, so now we want to, so now else means if the resources are below or equal to 0, then we just want to give the user a reality check that you have lost the game and you're useless. So we have to do document.write. Why I use this method is of output is because when you do document.write like this, then it erases all the HTML, but it does not erase the JavaScript. So you have to manually stop all the functions that are going on inside your JavaScript. Anyway, so you boy, and then we have to just close this, I mean clear this interval. So clear interval, clear interval int 1. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say something, that whoever comments get a new mic. Yeah, I will just you. So keep that in mind, okay? Keep that in mind. That's not funny at all. Yeah, commenting that is not funny at all. Anyways, so now we have got this right here. So now what we do is we create the invade function. Sorry. Okay, this video is going to be in one sitting, but I unfortunately have to have dinner. So yeah, this can be a two-part series because I don't want to shoot the whole video again. So yeah, so now we have the function invade. So function invade, we do let loop 1 equals, so we randomly generate the loop. Math dot round, and then inside this will just round up decimal points, and inside this math dot then yeah, it should go up till 10, up till 10, the resources loop, I mean the money loop. Okay, the money loop will go up till 5. The 10. then we have the side costs, right? Side cost 2, side cost 1. Yeah, so the side cost 2 will be from 1 to 3, and okay, the side cost 1 will be from 1 to 3, and the side cost 2 will be from 0 to 5. Okay, I meant side cost 1 from 0 to 3, and everything is from 0 to something. Yeah, so now we have got the basic things. This is for the resources loop, this is for the money loop, and this is for side cost resources, and side cost money. Boom, nice. Brr. So now what we do is we just console.log everything. Log root 1 plus root side cost 1 plus side cost 2. Yeah, save this, and then we give the on click of this button to on click, sorry, on click equals invade. So if we click this button, then it will call the invade function. So now we have this going on. So if I invade over here, so you can see, my god, so you can see right here it shows everything. That shows everything. So we don't want this, right? Yeah, and the method round was supposed. Oh, okay. So round. So now we can see all these things. So it's 0, 2 and 6, 1, 2 and 5, 2, 2 and 4, 3, 2 and 6, yeah. 1, 5, 1 and 1. Okay, so we just create a string is this one and side cost. Because what this will do is each of these modulus d represents these in order. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, so there we have a proper working system. As you can see over here, there is 0, 8, 2 and 4. So that means this works. Whee! Okay, so now that we know this works, we can just work with it. So how can we work with it? We can now, okay, I tried to add this to the main class, but yeah, we need another function for this. You can try adding this in the same function, but I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to create another function and then what we do is we just p dot resources plus equal to loop 2, yeah, then p dot money plus equal to, okay, for to not be confused, what I can do is I can just p dot money plus equal to loop 1 and p dot resources plus equal to loop 2. Okay, so now we have this going on right here, and then you can just okay, so now this, okay, now we create a chain reaction over here. So if this is called, then at the end this will also be called. Like if this is if this is called, then at the end this will also be called this function. S, control S, control S, and this, and then we can. Okay, what's the error? Loop one is not different. Okay, so I guess I overestimated the this keyword. I mean the global variable. So A, B, C, and okay, let's just do it A and B for now. So at loop one. Oh yeah, I've already declared loop one. So loop one, loop two. And over here, I will give the parameter value loop one, loop two. Okay, this is no way a tutorial for anyone. If you know what I'm doing, then yeah, then it's a tutorial. For beginners, it's not a tutorial, and bam, 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 bam. So things get added up. Things get added up. Okay, so now that we have a basic structure, what we do is we create a let variable over here. Let show var equals get what the heck by here. No, 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 no. Okay, so now we have this. Now what we do is we just copy this. We're going to access this. Copy, paste. Yeah, boy. Okay, so now instead of where's this, yeah, instead of console.log, what we can do is show dot html equals m, that stands for money, plus p dot r, that stands for resources, plus p dot yeah, resources. Okay, now let's see what Frankenstein has created. Okay. Okay, this works. Okay, this works, bro. Yeah, this works. So if I do this. Okay, this works. Yeah, this. Why am I just doing this? Okay, this definitely works. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do this, and now it's gonna work like, yeah. Now it's gonna work very smooth. Okay, so now it's going to work very smooth right here. Okay. Now what I will do is I will just make an alert statement over here. Alert! You have successfully invaded the enemy, and you took, okay, and you borrowed, then you borrowed plus this. Okay, over here you borrow resources plus p dot, oh yeah, resources loop one. No, this is for money, bruh. Loot what is for money. Okay, I don't know why I did that. So plus money plus loot one. The side costs are plus side cost one. Wait. What was the side cost for money? Yeah, our side cost one. Side cost one. Money and resources side cost 2. We save it, refresh, and we do this. Bruh, it works. 7 money, resources 7, money 1. The side costs are money 2 and resources 1. Bruh, it works. What? It works. Okay, yeah, it works. Yeah, I'm going to just place a land over here. Plus, and I'm gonna see what if we place an and over here. Okay, yeah, what happened? Okay. So, yeah, that happened. Okay, this is looking pretty pretty good, not gonna lie. Okay, so now we've got this setup and this setup. So now let's just upgrade the winning status, I mean the losing status. Okay, so this is for OR. Okay, so this is the logical OR statement. So this returns true if any one of the statements in this statement is true. Okay, so it initiates the if statement if any one of these expressions in the if statement initializer is true. So and p dot money is lower than 0. Yeah, this is OP. This is OP. Okay, so now we have got the player set up. Okay, so a quick note before we do something like this. Okay, so the quick note is that when we invade the enemy, then we want to make it harder for the player. Not like I don't know how to code that, but the enemy does not decrease in money and resources on invasion. They automatically do, and they do at a faster pace than the player, or same pace than the player. So you really have to show your skill to win this game. An elaborate excuse for a simple sentence like I don't know how to code that, but yeah. So now we have finished the enemy, I mean the player model. Now let's start the enemy model. So we create another class. By the way, how long have we been recording? Oh, that's a short amount of recording time, only 32 minutes. What? Yeah, so anyways, we just do a class, then class enemy. Yeah, we have to do it exactly. Enemy, then constructor. And money, enemy money, E-N-E-M-M-N. Okay, so the enemy will have slightly less money, so enemy money equals 9, and this the enemy, what is this, resources are ES equals 15, sorry, 15. Okay, so now we have to do an extra step. So the extra step is going to be let decider equal math dot round math dot random into, let's make it 2. Okay, so now we create another, what you call it, another interval. Okay, so in this interval there is, okay, I will make a 2-part series of it. Yeah, so in this interval, so let decider equal math dot round math dot random into 2. So now we make a interval, so let interval interval 2 equals math dot round. Oh wait, sorry. Yeah. Set interval, then function here. So what we can do is if decider equals, let's say 1, then the alert the enemy has invaded, and it will be in every, for testing purposes, just for testing purposes we will do it in no time, like instantly, like brr, brr, like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it works. See, it works. It works. Okay, so now we just create a time. 500 milliseconds or 0.5 seconds. Okay, yeah, to what do you call it? Refresh. Yeah. Every 500 milliseconds, so you should see some pop up over here. Invade, please, please. Okay, something is wrong. Something is hella wrong over here. Like, why am I not losing? You're like, why am I not losing, boy? Yeah, what happened to this? What happened to this? What happened to this? Oh, okay. So, because of this, I guess. Yeah, if I do this, then what will happen? Let's see. I have forgotten a lot of JavaScript lately. What the hell, bruh? Did it save? Okay, wait. Copy. Sorry, cut. Yeah, I will just declare this inside this. Then we save it. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, it works. Okay, something is definitely wrong, so that's why we just right here we just clean this thing. Okay. Sometimes they go very wrong. Yay, boy. Okay, so I've not linked these two yet. Okay, so let's make it 5 seconds. Wait, you know what? Let's make it 3. Okay, so you can see. Oh yeah, it's finally decided to invade. Okay, so this works. This does work. Boy. Okay, so now that we have created our enemy, class, and now my sanity is just below zero, like just below zero. I want to end this video. Yeah, I want to end this video right now real quick.